Thanks for tuning in to the Blade Ops YouTube channel. Got something special for you. A brand new Benchmade, the Redoubt. This has a blade length of 3.55, sporting that D2 steel, and has that cobalt black finish on it. Fantastic action on washers with the access lock. Nice and smooth. Has a close length of 4.75 and has this nice texturing there. And this is Grivory, is what the handle material is made out of. Has a nice, really deep carry pocket clip with some great retention. Really like the texturing on there, so you can get a good grip, jimping and everything. It's where it should be. And we've also got a serrated version as well. And fit in hand feels great. Really locks in there nice and solid. Nice and smooth action. And this thing weighs only 3.7 ounces. So it's really light for how big this knife really is, and it's gonna carry fantastic as well. This is the Benchmade Redoubt, and you can pick yours up today at Blade Ops.